Hello students, this is video number 6 and class is 12, chapter is human reproduction. And topic which we are discussing in this video is embryogenesis. Now first of all we have to discuss what is embryogenesis. You see, the fertilization in the human female takes place in the site of fertilization is fallopian tube, and exactly which place of fallopian tube? It is a junction of ampulla and isthmus. Now what is the ampulla? Ampulla is the wider region of fallopian tube. Where the fallopian tube is wide, that is known as the ampulla, and isthmus is the narrow region of the fallopian tube. And at the junction of the ampulla and isthmus, the fertilization takes place. That means ovum is fertilized by the sperm. As a result of fertilization, zygote is formed. Zygote is single celled. So single cell zygote is formed. Now you can see here, this is the diagram of the single cell zygote. Now this zygote is formed in the fallopian tube. So immediately after formation, the zygote undergoes cleavage. Now what is cleavage? Cleavage is a mitosis type of cell division. The zygote undergoes mitosis cell division, that is a repeated mitosis cell division and a fast mitosis cell division. As a result, the zygote first changes into the 2-celled stage, and then from the 2-celled stage it comes to a 16-celled stage. And you can see from zygote to the 2-cell to 16-cell stage, the 16-cell stage is known as morula. So from zygote a morula is formed. The morula is the 16-cell stage of the embryo. So this formation from zygote to morula and morula to blastocyst, this formation, these are the different stages of morula, then again forms into the blastocyst or blastula, and then it forms into the gastrula. These are the different stages of embryo. And when different stages of embryo is formed mainly by the cleavage, that is the repeated and fast mitosis, that is known as embryogenesis. Now, this is the morula, which is a 16-celled solid ball of cells. It looks like a ball, round in shape, solid ball of cells. The formation of the morula takes place in the fallopian tube. That means right from the fallopian tube, the embryogenesis starts by the process of cleavage or repeated and fast mitosis. Then this morula changes into blastula or known as the blastocyst. How this change takes place? You see, these cells of the morula, these cells are known as blastomere cells. Blastomeres are the cells of embryo. Now these blastomeres They are now arranged first in a layer, superficial layer, which is known as trophoblast. So there are two layers in which the blastomeres are arranged in the blastocell when it changes from morula to blastocell, and another is at the center of the blastocyst is called inner cell mass. The trophoblast later on forms the placenta, which is the helps in formation of placenta, which is the connection between the developing embryo and the mother's uterine wall. And inner cell mass is the one which later on develops into the fetus, and fetus develops into the young. So young one is actually formed from the inner cell mass, and this trophoblast layer is the one which helps in the formation of placenta. There is a cavity inside the blastocyst. That's why that cavity is known as blastocell, and this cavity is filled up with a fluid, so it is known as blastocyst, which is the cavity inside the, you can see in this diagram, there is a cavity in the blastocyst which is known as blastocyst. That's why it's also known as a blastula. This is also known as blastula. Now this you see, these are the rectangular cells which are found in the wall of uteri. So these are the epidermal cells of the uterus, where the inner cell mass goes and attaches. Then this attachment is known as placenta. Now, how is the placenta formed? This we will discuss. First, before the formation of placenta, there is a process known as implantation. The implantation is the attachment of the developing embryo, and the implantation takes place at blastocyst stage. So implantation takes place at the blastocyst stage. Then when the inner cell mass of the blastocyst comes in contact with the wall of the uterus, that's the endometrium wall of the uterus, the blastocyst stage comes in contact with endometrium layer of the uterus. Then the endometrium layer of the uterus divides rapidly. So cells of endometrium divide rapidly to cover, it completely covers the blastocyst. And this process is known as implantation, that is the attachment. And when it is attached, then the pregnancy is confirmed. Later on, placenta is formed.